How to fix Snapchat crying filter on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat crying filter on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then apps again. Now just type here Snapchat, and after that click on it. Now click storage and clear cache, and then go to here this one for stop, and after that go to battery, and then enable performance mode if you find it here, and or you can just disable for saving mode. And now just close all applications in the background and then go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problems, just restart your phone and try again, and then go to Play Store and update Snapchat if you find an update here. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.